Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the TracFone Motorola Moto G6, a budget-friendly smartphone that packs a surprising punch. This phone promises a lot for the price, so let's see if it delivers. Right out of the box, the Moto G6 feels remarkably solid. The 5.7-inch Full HD plus Max Vision display is vibrant and sharp, making it great for watching videos or browsing photos. It's definitely a step up from what you might expect in this price range. The phone is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and runs Android 8.0 Oreo, which, while not the latest operating system, still provides a smooth and responsive experience for everyday tasks. One of the standout features is the fingerprint reader, conveniently located on the back of the device. It's quick and accurate, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. In terms of connectivity, you've got 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2, covering all the essentials. Now let's talk cameras. The Moto G6 boasts a dual-lens rear camera setup with a 12MP primary lens and a 5MP secondary lens for depth effects. The 8MP front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. Image quality is decent, especially in good lighting conditions. You're not going to get flagship-level photos, but they're certainly good enough for social media and everyday snapshots. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. And if you need more, you can expand the storage with a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. The battery life is also respectable, and the Turbo Power quick charging feature is a lifesaver when you're in a hurry. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. This phone is carrier locked to TracFone. That means you'll need to use a TracFone SIM card and service plan. The good news is that TracFone offers unlimited talk, text, and data plans starting at $20 a month, which is incredibly affordable. However, be aware of the unlocking policy. You'll need to meet certain requirements, including 12 months of active service, before you can unlock the phone and use it with another carrier. So who's this phone for? The TracFone Motorola Moto G6 is perfect for budget-conscious consumers, students, or anyone looking for a reliable and affordable smartphone without breaking the bank. It's also a great option for seniors or those who prefer a simple and easy-to-use device. While it's not a flagship killer, it offers excellent value for money. You get a large, vibrant display, decent performance, a capable camera, and affordable service plans. If you're on a tight budget and looking for a solid smartphone, the TracFone Motorola Moto G6 is definitely worth considering. Just be aware of the carrier lock restrictions. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Moto G6. Have you used a TracFone before? What are your experiences? And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.